Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about fewer versus less and then versus than. Let's get started. Fewer refers to countable plural nouns, for example, apples, students, etc., and means not as many. Have a look at the examples below. Fewer hours are required to complete this project. Countable plural noun. Fewer than 10 students choose Asian studies as their major this year. Countable plural nouns. Less refers to uncountable nouns, for example, water, noise, etc., and means not as much. Have a look at the examples below. I'd like to learn how to spend less time procrastinating. Uncountable noun, time. Bob has just started working there, so he obviously gets paid less. Uncountable noun. Now, less can also be used with numbers or expressions of measurement, as in the examples below. If you weigh less than 45 kilos, you are underweight. The cafe is less than 1 kilometer from here. We can simply walk there. Then is an adverb that can indicate a particular time in the past or future, what happens next, or the result of a situation. Have a look at the examples below. Max worked as a teacher back then, in the past. Whisk eggs and sugar and then add flour. What happens next? If you don't call a cab, then we'll miss our flight. Result of a situation. Than is a conjunction and it is used to compare one thing with another. Note that it can be part of an expression. For example, rather than, no sooner than, etc. Have a look at the examples below. Molly is taller than Ashley. Comparing Ashley to Molly. It's still better than being unemployed. Comparing unemployment to another thing. I'd rather hang out with them than stay alone at my place. Comparing staying alone at my place to hanging out with them. Here is a short story using fewer, less, than, and than. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself, so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. I've noticed that fewer people are interested in booking package tours. Yeah, I've thought of that too. I guess it's really easy to find something on the internet now, and it's likely that you'll pay less if you don't go to an agency. And then if you mess something up, no one will help you. Better be safe than sorry. Well, that's the risk you're going to take.